Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel androidgeek. So this is a part 2 video of how to install Windows 10 from a bootable device. In part 1 I have shown you how to burn the ISO file into a USB drive, or let's say how to make a bootable device for Windows 10. So in this video I will show you how to install the Windows 10 using the bootable device. So get back and let's get started. So this is my Windows 10 bootable device. It is a 16 GB pen drive. I have installed Windows here in the last video if you have seen. So what you have to do is insert this pen drive into your CPU. I know my CPU is looking crazy, but it gets the job done most of the time. सो ये प्लग हो गया. अब इट्स टाइम टू लॉन्च माई अनारकली, ये पीसी का नेम. अब बायोस सेटिंग्स में जाओ एंड यू हैव टू enable the first priority to the SanDisk pen drive which has Windows 10, and you have to set the second priority to your hard disk in which we are going to install Windows, of course. And after it's done, save the settings and reset. And after few minutes, it will take few minutes, I have fast forward the video, you will see this screen. You have to select your country. I am going to select our country, which is India. It's right there. Okay, I have selected my country and then click next, and you have to click install now. If you have लाइसेंस की you can enter the license key. अगर आप बहुत अमीर है तो खरीद लो, खरीद के लाइसेंस की डालो, फिर नेक्स्ट करो. उसके बाद आपका वर्जन सेलेक्ट करके नेक्स्ट क्लिक करो. and then if you can read the terms and services, you can read it, you can ignore it. You have to create a partition. Further, delete all the locations in hard disk, and then create a new fresh location. You can see here 74.5 GB is my new allocated partition for the Windows. And after that you will see the loading screen. It takes way more time than you imagine. This video is around 6 minutes, but it takes like 40 minutes for me. So I have fast forwarded the video. After all the files are copied, it will ask you to restart. Click restart now, and then your PC will restart. I have fast forwarded the video. It will take like 10 minutes. Select your country and the basic configurations, your keyboard layout and all the few details like your username and password, etc. It is asking me to connect to a network, but I don't have a internet connection right now, so I'll skip it. I think you can pretty much understand from here, or you can watch the whole video if you're not sure what you're doing. And here you can see, as I told you, it will ask for username. You can set anything. I will insert Verma, that's my name, and I won't remember my password usually, so I won't put any password, and then click next, and then you're done. It will take some time to set everything up, and like 10 minutes it will take. And here you can see the Windows 10 is now installed and working.